Hello guys, I welcome you back to this tutorial. Today's tutorial is the second part of my video. The first video I have done about the EU is all about how to withdraw, okay, and how to accumulate EU and USDT, okay, and I told you how to withdraw to different exchanges, okay. Now I want to introduce EU app, the main app, their main app. You must get their main app, okay. How can you get their main app? This to get there and app, it's just like Binance or Bybit, whereby you can trade different types of cryptocurrency there. That this EU is already there, EU coin is already there. It's not that you are waiting for listed. No, it has been listed already, so you can change it, you can convert it to USDT. So the first video, if you are still playing with it, if you don't have money EU, it means that you don't need money, okay. It means you don't need money. If you need money, this one takes you anything to just farm, okay. And Telegram, that Telegram you are seeing about, they just want is an avenue for many people to understand EU, to know more about the EU app, so that you can know app now. Definitely you can go there to trade, or that is what they are doing. That is why they are giving EU for you to farm, okay. If you are still playing with it, you are on your own, okay. Now, so the yes, as you can see, this is the Telegram app now. As you can see, this Telegram app now, so you can see that I have 30k, over 30k UE, okay, and then my USDT has not up to $1, okay, has not even up to $1 since I have started so far, okay. Now because I don't have much time to mine so far, okay, but now as you can see, I want to let you understand what to do, because how we can get more EU, okay. So how can you get more EU is just about to come down and be clicking it, as I said in my first video. The next thing is that you come down to this referral link. You can refer many people. As you can see, let me show you very well so that you know exactly before I go to withdrawal. So this one now, that is what we call diamond, okay. That diamond, it means a lot, okay. It means a lot. So as you refer more people, look at this place now. When you refer people, you will get diamond, okay. You will get diamond. So that diamond is the one you will use to, if you want to withdraw money. But if you don't have this diamond, you can also withdraw, but you must make sure you farm UE very well, okay guys. So now let me go to the withdrawal and explain more about this for you. So when you come down to the withdrawal here, you can see that, so the diamond I'm talking about, you can see that we have diamond here. So before you can withdraw 10 UE, you will have that 3 diamond, okay. And before you can withdraw 5 USDT, you will have 140 diamond, okay. So before you can withdraw UE 200 UE, you must have 225 diamond. So if you don't have any diamond, okay, you can also withdraw. So now I'm going to take you to the main apps. Okay, this, so back to the app now. As you can see their app now, you can see it here now. So I have logged into the app now. So you can see the various cryptocurrency you can trade with, okay. You can trade with many cryptocurrency here. So now how can you deposit? First, this deposit is all about how can you deposit. That is, you know, from the app I told you about, that is from Telegram. You can deposit through it. That is where you can get your UE, the one you accumulated there. You can click this deposit and click the address, you copy it there. So I'm going to do it right now. So that is how you can deposit to this area. Now for instance, now what you can do what I can do here now is to just go there and copy this address. The second one is that let me do their spot trade. So as you can see here now, this trade here. So if you want to trade here now, you can trade EU also here in their spots here now. As you can see that EU versus USDT. Do you see that? This is EU and USDT. So how much you can withdraw? Let's assume now you have 30, I mean, yes. Let me write it here. 30,000 UE. 30,000 UE is equivalent to 230 USDT, okay. that is equivalent to 230 USD. Can you see now that you are making money? So if you are wasting that update, if you don't mind, so that is your own funeral. Okay, guys. Now I'm going back to the app now to withdraw. Okay, I'm going back to, you can see now that this is not joking. Okay, it's not a joking matter. So now let me go back to the home page now, and from this home page now I'm going to deposit here. From the deposit here, I will click on the UE crypto. So when I click on the UE crypto, so allow the address to come up. So when the address come up, I'm going to copy it and go back to the Telegram and withdraw live, so that you will be able to see and you confirm that I'm not joking and my update is confirmed. Now let's wait till it comes up. Let me pause the video when it comes. Okay, so the address has come up now. As you can see, this is the address of, you can see that is BSC address. So you have to copy this. So the address has already been copied. So now, how can you do with it now? I'm going back to my Telegram. So this is the Telegram app. So let me start again. So back to the Telegram app. As you can see now, you can see that now I have accumulated over 30,000 UE now. You can see the equivalent to USD, that is over 200 plus, as you see in their app now. Okay, but today now, how can you withdraw this? How can you withdraw it? So how you can withdraw is this. Just come down to the withdrawal here. Do you see that? So this is the withdrawal here now. You can see it now. I want to withdraw. If I want to withdraw UE now, definitely, if I want to withdraw 10 UE, you can see that I have the diamond 3. I have to let go. I have to let 3 diamonds because of withdrawing just 10 UE. Okay. So that is when I just come down to here. I copy the address. Let me paste the address here. So the address has been pasted here already. So as you can see, I will now click on this withdrawal successful. Do you see that I've withdrawn it successfully? Okay, so let me go back to the app for you to see exactly what I'm saying. Okay, so now I will go back to the app again. So let me start refreshing. What do you see here now? So it has landed. The EU has landed. So can you see that this is the total balance now is 0.07 USDT. 0.7 USDT. So this is exactly what you can see it in evaluation of that 0. USDT. So let me just click on it. Can you see now the 10,000, that is 10 UE that I withdraw now? It has come down here. So that is how you will be doing, and in order to withdraw the UE and USDT directly, just start accumulating UE from that Telegram and you make cool money here. And then don't forget, even though you don't have that diamond, you must accumulate about, before you can withdraw it direct to this app. Okay, so the next thing here to do now is that, let's assume now that I want to sell it 0.7 to, no, I mean, let me go back to the UE. This is UE. So it's post 0.7. So you can see that it's not up to 1 USDT. Okay, so that is why you must not play with your mining. Okay, you must not play with your mining. Mine a lot, and then if I be able to get that 30,000 UE, you know that I'm in money. So now go back to the Telegram, start mining, and then this is where you take it and sell the EU. But for the USDT, you can take it here or you take it to any of the exchanges. Okay, guys, so this is how you do, and this is how you make money with this app. And you can see that you can trade different cryptocurrency here. This is a new platform that you can trade, and then they are using this to do more awareness, so for people to know more about this app. Okay, guys, that is essence of introducing that Telegram app. Guys, if you find the tutorial useful, don't forget to comment a nice comment on the video and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next update. Peace.